Yeah, so this study is a clinical trial for patients diagnosed of metastatic colorectal cancer with particular status, molecular status, what it's called microsatellite instability, or what it is the same deficient mismatch repair tumors. So these tumors are characterized to have a high tumor load of mutations. So in this case, the role of immunotherapy has been demonstrated. Particularly in regards to PD-1 inhibitors. So what this clinical trial did was to compare PD-1, namely Nivolumab, compared to a combination Nivolumab, ipilimumab, or the standard of care. So what we present at ESMO GI is the results of the comparison of Nivolumab, ipilimumab versus Nivolumab in terms of quality of life. Yeah, the clinical trial had a primary objective of progression-free survival, and indeed we had the results, and it was demonstrated on one side that the combination of nivolumab or ipilimumab was superior compared to a standard of care, what it means chemotherapy plus a biological agent, depending on the RAS, BRAF mutational status. And on the later on, we presented the results of the comparison of nivolumab versus nivolumab ipilimumab across all line of treatments, and what we saw is that nivolumab ipilimumab turned to be superior as well in terms of progression-free survival. The question is that to date we still don't know if all patients required a doublet, and it's important to stress that when we are treating patients with two drugs, the impact in terms of toxicity could be higher. That's why it was very important to check the quality of life of these particular patients. And as mentioned, these are the results that were presented this year at ESMO GI. So what we see is that although it was previously presented that patients treated with nivolumab ipilimumab have a higher rate of grade 3-4 events, that's not translated in the treatment in terms of quality of life. So first, those patients that are treated with a doublet present as well an improvement in terms of quality of life. And what we see is that for particular outcomes, there is a numerically higher superiority in terms of a benefit in terms of quality of life for those patients treated with a doublet compared with monotherapy.